Click on the link below to get discount. The RealTruck UnderCover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, FX41014, is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking to enhance both the functionality and appearance of their truck. This hard folding tonneau cover boasts a robust construction while maintaining a sleek profile, making it a perfect blend of aesthetics and practicality. One of the standout features of the UnderCover Flex is its durable ABS plastic construction, which ensures not only weather resistance but also protection against spills and debris. The cover is designed to withstand various weather conditions, keeping your cargo secure and dry. Installation was surprisingly straightforward and can typically be completed within 30 minutes, requiring minimal tools. This ease of setup is a significant advantage for those who prefer a hassle-free approach to accessories. The three-fold design of the tonneau cover allows for versatile usage. You can easily fold it up for full bed access or keep it closed to safeguard your belongings. Each panel is equipped with a locking mechanism, ensuring that your items are secure even when you're away from your vehicle. Additionally, the low-profile design enhances the overall look of your truck while improving aerodynamics, which could lead to slightly better fuel efficiency. A notable aspect of the UnderCover Flex is its compatibility with most truck bed accessories, including bed liners and tailgate locks. This versatility means you can continue to use other tools and gadgets without any issues. In terms of price, the RealTruck UnderCover Flex offers considerable value. While it might be on the higher end, the quality and functionality justify the investment. The warranty provided also reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the product's longevity. Overall, the RealTruck UnderCover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a well-engineered solution for truck owners looking to protect their cargo while adding style to their vehicle. Its solid construction, ease of installation, and versatility make it a worthwhile addition to any truck.